Having been on the celebrity radar, he might be one of your favorite celebs from movies, especially if you watch the famous Pirates of the Caribbean. Born in the United States on June 9th of 1963, John Christopher Depp II is an actor, producer, singer, and painter. He's won a Golden Globe and a Screen Actors Guild Award and was nominated for 3 Academy Awards and 2 BAFTAs. Depp made his acting debut in the 1984 horror picture A Nightmare on Elm Street before starring as a teen superstar in the television series 21 Jump Street. Throughout the 1990s, Depp essentially acted in independent films, typically portraying weird characters. Many more movies have followed after these, making him famous, the most significant one being the Pirates of the Caribbean. On the other hand, Mr. Depp has been having court hearings. Known for his rare style, he hasn't failed or left his culture even for a moment while attending these court sessions. Hello and welcome to today's video. We shall be talking about Johnny Depp's case and his court fashion style. As we continue with today's video, remember to subscribe, like, and share. You can also leave us a comment in the comments section. Let's get to it already. America and the world is following the defamation trial between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard in Fairfax, Virginia, and it looks that America is perplexed. This is an enigmatic and intriguing case. While the case is ostensibly a defamation suit over a newspaper article with Depp suing Heard, there is one major dispute at its heart. Johnny Depp allegedly mistreated Amber Heard. Heard allegedly abused Depp, according to Depp. Well, if you haven't heard about it, you might ask, what is happening? Who is suing who? What made them sue the other partner? Well, it's simple. Amber Heard, Johnny Depp's ex-wife, is suing Johnny Depp for defamation over an op-ed she wrote for the Washington Post in 2018. "I came out against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath," the op-ed began. "This must change." Heard never mentions Depp by name, but she describes herself as a public person who represents domestic abuse. Depp and his attorneys contended and a judge agreed. That Heard is obviously insinuating that Depp assaulted her during their 1-year marriage. So what's the truth? Surprisingly, the internet's most powerful voices appear to have overwhelmingly sided with Depp. While there is compelling evidence of domestic abuse on both sides of this marriage, it is clear whether the evidence supports Depp's claim or whether he has a strong case. Depp, on the other hand, is more well known. Despite the fact that it's been more than a decade since he released a true critical smash, he's amassed enough critical recognition over the course of his long career to merit some respect. Throughout the years, he's fashionably worn suits, sometimes in cold colors like bright yellow. The man can drastically change his entire ensemble with a few finishing touches. You can see his love for hats, scarves, and sunglasses throughout the years, each a vital part of his look. At the end of the day, whether Depp is suited up or dressed down, performing with his band, the Hollywood Vampires, or promoting his latest film, he always makes his look work. In his court sessions, this is still the case. Nothing seems to have changed. He's still rocking classic looks. Mr. Depp has had several spouses over the time. In the most recent relationship, Mr. Depp was married to actress Amber Heard from 2015 to 2017. Unfortunately, the two divorced in a breakup that has left many wondering and in disbelief. Their divorce made headlines because Amber Heard claimed Depp was aggressive throughout their relationship. Depp claimed that Heard had mistreated him in 2018 before suing the proprietors of the British tabloid The Sun for defamation under English law, but he was unsuccessful. Depp later sued Heard in Virginia for libel after she authored an op-ed in which she claimed to be a public victim of domestic abuse. The trial of Depp versus Heard began in 2022. Depp describes himself as a victim of cancel culture. He's the father of Lily Rose Depp, a French-American actress and model. Social media fans are engrossed in every detail of Amber Heard and Johnny Depp's long-running legal dispute, right down to their fashion choices. Suppose you're wondering why. It's because courtroom fashion exists. People with keen eyes believe Depp's ex-wife is involved, against whom he has filed a $50 million defamation lawsuit in a Virginia courthouse. 5 years after the couple broke up, has been copying his style. For the first time, fans of the case hear many explicit and heartbreaking charges regarding the couple's marriage. The Pirates of the Caribbean star arrived in court wearing a gray suit with Gucci tie and a B label pen on the trial's opening day. Heard donned a similar gray suit the next day, and on April 13th, she completed her dark-colored costume with a very similar B-label pin and tie. Did you think or ever think that you could layer formal wear to create an attractive and unique look? Mr. Depp has been doing it since the start of his legal proceedings. His new style, dubbed Depp's court fashion style, will show you how to achieve precisely that. You could learn a thing or two from him if you've watched him in these court proceedings. Don't worry if you haven't, we've got you covered. Here are a few of his outfit selections that made us think. The suit. Johnny Depp's courtroom attire starts with his suit collection. You don't have to wear a suit when appearing in court as long as you seem friendly and modest. Mr. Johnny Depp, Hollywood's heartthrob, in case you didn't know, chose to demonstrate to us how to wear a suit properly. His suits are black, gray, blue, and brown, and gloomy and neutral tones. The outfits have the same label, cut, and pocket square, and the pants and blazers are a perfect fit. His hair. You can just look at and discuss Johnny's hairdo. One of the factors that propelled Mr. Depp into the spotlight as a Hollywood fashion icon was his hairstyle. It rarely changes but never ages. He sported a variety of famous hairstyles, both short and long. Sloppily wearing his long hair is one of his hallmark hairstyles. However, we know that a conservative look is best for a court appearance. You can comb or put your hair long up when there are no stated rules. Our fashion icon will never go for something so basic. So for Johnny's court appearance, you can see Mr. Depp making a fashion statement by rocking his hair in a neat ponytail. You will see him rocking a ponytail because, well, it's always been one of his favorite hairstyles. It is easy maintenance as well, and it doesn't require hairsprays. Jewelry. It's impossible to discuss Johnny's style without mentioning his jewels. Without saying anything, jewelry allows you to make a statement about your individuality and personality. Jewelry has helped women learn the art of nonverbal communication. Mr. Depp, the jewelry master, is the best person to teach men how to use jewelry as a fashion statement. Because, males suffer discrimination when wearing earrings, necklaces, rings, and other accessories. Johnny Depp isn't about to let a minor court appearance ruin his look. We recognize that many jewelry pieces can be a little too much for the court. Mr. Depp, on the other hand, always knows how to mix and match his jewelry. The scarves. Who else can appear effortless and attractive while wearing a scarf with the suit? Nobody we've met, seen, or known has been able to pull it off except for Mr. Johnny Depp himself. Depp wore a suit with a bandana around his neck for the most part of his court appearances. The bandana was originally a makeshift anti-coronavirus mask for his face, but it was knotted around his neck and gave his court fashion looks. Depp's casual styles always include short or long, plain or patterned scarves. For his court appearance, he chose a black paisley scarf that adds to the color coordination of his outfit. Johnny Depp is one of Hollywood stars with a unique fashion style, whether he goes boho chic or a little rugged and artsy. His style has a whimsical and laid-back aesthetic. His style is unique because he layers colors, textures, and accessories into his outfits. What do you find most iconic in Johnny Depp's court fashion? Please leave it in the comment section. Also, tell us what would you like to see in the coming videos. And reaching that point brings us to the end of today's video. Hit that bell, don't be left out on our next video post. Remember to hit that subscribe button, also like and share. Till the following video, peace out.